This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the game version and enabling hotspot options, because mismatches waste time. Once done, collect the 3x glowing seeds and a water vial from inventory, and place a map marker near the target zone so you won't get lost. Move to the safe node and fast travel there, then approach the hotspot area slowly to avoid spawning hostile mobs. This immediate sequence gets you into position and primes resources for the planting step that follows. Now you execute the core mechanics. Plant the glowing seeds in a tight 3x3 pattern centered on the hotspot node so their radiance overlaps and stacks. Make sure to use the water vial to hydrate the soil to about 40% moisture. The growth algorithm checks moisture thresholds. Next, apply one controlled pulse of lightning or a heat source to trigger the color bloom. Too many pulses break the sequence, so a single, well-timed activation yields the rainbow pattern you need. Finish by watching for color stabilization. Once the hue holds for 8 seconds, harvest the rainbow pot and avoid shifting nearby seeds during collection because movement can reset the effect. If you don't see a rainbow, remove the center seed and reapply a single pulse after rehydrating. This simple reset fixes timing glitches. Finally, check the game log for soil humidity, version mismatches, or nearby interference. Those are the common causes when the hotspot fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.